Hey guys, Michelle Kinney here. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking out my video. Today, I'm going to make a quick video about borrowing money to invest. So yesterday, somebody said on my Discord channel, "Good morning, Michelle. Quick question. I have a small budget. Is there a way or a method to borrow funds so I can use to place or sell options?" And I'm going to answer that here. So that's a really good question. Personally, I've never done that before. However, I am aware about Michael Saylor and his strategy, buying Bitcoin, borrowing money and buying Bitcoin in MicroStrategy. So here's my suggestion. I think for sure at the beginning, when you're first starting to trade options, it's not advisable to borrow money and invest it because you're very, very new and there can be a little bit of a learning curve. Also, if you borrow money and invest it, you might be under a little bit of pressure. In other words, you might feel tempted to take undue risk, more risk than you would otherwise take. Now, I would suggest, a lot of people often ask me, how much money do you need to get started? There's really not any specific number, but a good average rule of thumb as a minimum dollar amount to start is about $2,000. So with $2,000, you can open an account, you can sell a put on a stock that's less than $20, or if you wanted to use margin, you can sell a put on a stock that might be worth a little bit more than that. I think after you get your feet wet a bit, it might be an okay idea to borrow money to invest. I'm not sure. It really depends on your specific situation. But especially at the beginning, I wouldn't recommend that. You could always also start with paper trading. So paper trading is really a great idea to get started. You're using fake money and it's like kind of pretend money and you're practicing with your broker dealer. Hope that helps. Happy trading.